Sasa wewe umekangunifunga, umenipata tu nimesimama hapa na amani.
It gives a description of all the parties in this particular petition, from the first petition in petition number 150 of 2016, as well as the second petition comprising of all the petitioners whose description has been given. The petition also sets out the legal and constitutional foundations of the petitions as consolidated.
Everything was so disappointing, but to some point we knew this was going to happen, because at first it wasn't showing if they were going to accept us or not. And at time it was all pending and all that, because they also wanted to push it to another day, but we fought so that we could happen today. Yeah. This is what we knew that would happen. The ruling is gonna put my life in danger, and I'm already scared for my life now, because now the threats and the beating up and the killings, I know they're going to happen very soon.